Hey everybody, and welcome to a new video here on tech side of Norway. Technically, I think this is the first video that will be shot specifically for this channel. As you might remember, on my Life Side of Norway channel, we built this shelf behind my couch. And as I said in that video, we were waiting on some tech to go in it. That time has passed, it took forever, but it has arrived. The first one I got was this, which doesn't tell you anything because somebody put a label over the picture. But this is a wireless charger that supposedly goes through 40 millimeters of wood, and I have 8-ish. This just glues under the wood, and there's a sticker that goes on top so you know where to put your phone, and it supposedly charges fast charging through, or fast wireless charging through wood. So I'm going to be interested to see how this works. Of course, living in Norway isn't always easy when you order things from the great outside of our country. Come on now. So I got I think this is a US plug with a hole through. This.
In the bin.
And I also got this. This one's quite cool. It's a through charger, or a through socket, basically. So we got to drill a hole that's 100 millimeters wide. It's quite wide, so we'll be sawing a hole, hopefully straight. But this has USB Type-C, Type-A, and our European Chuco connectors. And it just plugs into an outlet, and it's a pop-up, so it's quite cool. And today we're going to be installing that in, I think it'll be this side of the shelf. I don't suspect I will need anything on this side. Might put the wireless one there. I'm not seeing myself putting it there, but we'll see. We'll see. Time to crank out the saw and make some holes in our newly built shelf. So the first task will be to mask where we're going to make the hole and measure where we got to put this. This is the ring that goes underneath. I've measured it and it does fit between the posts we made, but we got to figure out where that is here because we're not going to saw it from underneath. So masking tape, then measure. Right, now that we have successfully aggravated one of my cats because he hates changes and noise, and we did both, the rest of the job is rather easy. Remove the tape. Do a better job at removing the tape. There we go. There we go. It's not perfectly round, but then again I did it by hand, so hello, go away. So all we have to do now, technically, is slide that into place. Seems to be some adjustment needed. Nope, there we go. I think we're good. The gasket seems wonky. Let's put it in place where it's supposed to be. There we go. There we are. And then we just thread this in from the bottom, like so. And tighten it up. There we go. Looks good. All you do, you charge. Now we just plug this in to the handy dandy wall outlet down here. Now for the little bit more tricky one, because this one has to be glued. Hopefully the glue that it comes with will work. If not, what to do? Tech-shoe or Tech 7. So with this charger, all you technically have to do is glue this little metal ring under the table, and then the charger itself sticks to it. Do I have much hope that this Chinese glue will work? Not really, but we shall try, and we shall do our best and clean the surface first with alcohol to give it at least the best shot. Worst case, we'll glue this to the table with proper glue and it will never come off. So we'll see. It says on here that for a 0 to 20 millimeter table, you could use the transparent sticker, because this comes with 2 stickers, one white, well, it's transparent, and one black. The black one is for 20 to 30 millimeter tables because it has an extra coil that this charges, and then this charges your phone. So we'll be going with the transparent one first. And it's, according to the user manual, quite easy. You just stick this under, power it up, and then it comes with this little light board that when it's fully lit up, you just apparently stick this down, and then you tear this bit off. What does it say? Put charger, blah, 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 adjust. Then you stick that down, tear off the circular install. Okay, so you tear off this bit, leaving this, and then you stick this into the sort of guide. All right, well, I have what we need, so let's give it a shot. Well, that's strong enough. So let's peel off this. It does seem to have a bit of a good sticky tape on it. Don't drop it. Oh, it's flexible as well. Great. Here-ish, circa middle. Okay, now we gotta clean it again because we touched it and we don't want the sticker to come off. Plug this in. Plug the cable in. Plug that into the charger. Okay, so we're gonna have to remove this. ES power. Look, I'm not making it up. ES power. Just don't make a sound.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Of course, I'm going to cable manage the cable and do strain reliefs and everything. Let's see. Oh, it works. Oh, of course. Okay, let's do it like this. Like we're supposed to do it. Oh, we're getting good at this. Okay, so let's do this. And then we lift this up. Tear this out. Oh, careful. And now we're supposed to stick this inside that ring. Don't. Right, so technically now all we have to do is there you have it, guys. It is done. My shelf and cinema is as good as I'm going to get it right now. I've been talking about building a wall just across here just to block the sound off, but that is for a different project for a different day. So now I have opportunities that if I am sitting relaxing and doing some work on my Ubuntu powered Windows Surface laptop, or if I'm watching a movie in the cinema and realize that my phone is about to die, I always have power near me. That is all we were doing today, and I'll see you in the next video.